finally last 100 yen for dinner. Please don't be broken. Did this chip just giggle? Campus electricity bill must be cursed too, right?
Just one more! The cheese takoyaki chips were too good yesterday. Crunch tastes like normal sesame. Wait, why is my shadow doing the Macarena? Okay, this is getting kind of creepy. Shadow shouldn't be doing the worm. I should probably stop. But these are limited flavor.
Okay, one more bite. Mmm, so good. Whoa, it's starting again! My legs, they're floating!
Joy, my head.
So tempting though.
Just one more melon soda. The ghosts are probably bored of me by now. One more, Meyer.
Wait, no. Okay, that's it, done. This thing is evil. I'm going home. I'll drink. Ying. Keep it your chippus. No water bad, but crap.